Flu shots, done. Right arm, and I'm holding my phone in my right arm, not fun. I got that's over with, Mom. High five. Yay! Okay, going to the mall now, because we just got shots. Guess what? I found some beautiful stuff for the flight. Mom approval. You know, I feel like it's one of those bridal shows where... It's tight. I feel like it's one of those bridal shows, Mom, where the bride looks at the mom for approval of the dress, if it looks good or not. That's just what happened for this flight outfit. But you know what it reminds me of?
Medium, large,
okay, order. So back to my outfit. It's beautiful. Can you just see a peek right there? I will definitely show you on the 15th when we leave. Of course, because I'm gonna vlog. What else? Still doesn't fit? Sorry, Mom. But it's so cute. So, this is the first store. This is the first store we walked into, and I ended up finding more beautiful stuff for the same price from Urban Outfitters. So, I'm going home today, preparing the return of the bigger BDG jeans that I bought. I'm gonna keep the small one because I know that looks good for sure. Yeah, returning that. Bought new ones. Thanks, Mom.
No.
It's an Indian movie dialogue, if you don't know. It was funny either way, so let's go. Do y'all see this jacket that my mom's wearing? The green one? She has been wearing that every single winter for the past 4 or 5 years. She bought it at Forever 21. I actually spotted it for her. Now I'm hitting myself in the head as to why I even spotted it. This is for boys, Mom. So, can you see in her hand, she found another kind of military type jacket. So, I'm excited to throw the one she's wearing away or donate it to someone. Honestly, I wouldn't even want anybody else to wear it. Just the thought of somebody else is gonna wear this, it just irks me. So, successfully bought a jacket from Mom too. Yay! Of course at the Gap. Where else? We have a hair appointment today. And like always, I'm late to everything, which is not a good thing to do. I can't really do anything else about it. Hold on. Sorry it's so loud. I've been texting our hairstylist or hairdresser or whatever about when our appointment time is. She never texted me back until like, you know, I mean, she did text me back. It's not her fault. About last week or something, telling me it was at 11, and since I was so busy, I forgot. I thought it was at 11:30, so I gave myself 15 minutes to leave. I'm still waiting for my mom. Honk the horn at her. She hates doing that, but she's always so late. I mean, when I'm late, you know, taking her time. Anyway, so I'll see y'all later. Oh, finally here at Ulta. Oh my gosh. So I almost am done editing the India Move Vlog 3. And one more India Move Vlog and y'all will be caught up, I think. And no, I know for sure because I can do this. I can do this. No, I didn't wash my hair. That's why I look like a grease ball, but I did take a shower. Why would I wash my hair and waste shampoo and conditioner when she's gonna wash my hair anyway? So I'm gonna get my hair done when my mom's processing, and I will edit in between. Hopefully get this done before I go home. There's not much left for me to edit. So yeah, it's so crazy to think about. I mean, it is Friday today, and it's so crazy to think about that we're leaving day after tomorrow out of the country. So it doesn't feel like it because I feel like before, I feel like my mom was the one packing and like thinking about stuff, figuring out everything and taking care of business, and I was just sitting there dreaming about the vacation and just I had lots of time in my hand to think about it, so it felt like a long time till the day would come. And then when the day did come, I just felt it was about time that day came. You know what I mean? I don't know if that was proper English, but that's how I felt. But this time I took the role of everything, so it feels like forever for her, but she's also saying that it feels like it's not we didn't get enough time to do anything. I mean, we did get enough time to do everything. I mean, I took care of it. I told her not to worry about it, but still, it's 11:30 today, February 13th, Friday the 13th. Yeah, I know. 2 days from now, no, it's 11, right? So 47 hours from now, we will have left the house with everything packed, loaded, and ready to go. I cannot wait, but it's just at the same time, I feel so stressed and like happy, and my heart is pounding so fast. We didn't eat anything today yet, so that's not a good thing because salon appointments usually take 3 hours. For my mom, it usually takes an hour for me, but since I'm with her, I gotta do what I gotta do, and I'll just edit at that time, and I will put up an India Move vlog today. So, see, this is the weird part. This clip is gonna be in the future video, so I'm talking about the past video. Do you like my lipstick? I don't know. I feel like it's subtle, but oh, somebody's walking. It's subtle, but yet it looks good. I feel like it's natural enough for a day like this where I'm just running around like a chicken with my head cut off, doing stuff for 47 hours from now. So anyway, I'm going in. My mom's already in, and I'm going in, and I'll edit. Sorry, I'm scratching my head. Sorry. And I'll see you when I'm all dolled up and prettied up, I guess. I'll see you. That's not a good thing to say. Anyway, I'll take that back. I'll see you when my hair's washed and looking pretty. Alright? Alright, I'll see y'all. Bye. We're going crazy, if you don't know. And I look like a guy without hair. I have hair.
Hey, நல்லா இருக்குடா அப்படினா. Hey, இது ரெண்டு பேரும் ஷார்ட்.
I look so bad with short hair. Mom, you know I am going to include this in my video, right?
Video ma. Ayyo.
We just had Mission Burrito, our last one since the one before sucked. I don't know if I ever even told you. Maybe I tweeted about it. I don't remember. It's all a blur. They opened at 11, and we had a hair appointment at 11, so we couldn't eat then. So we ended up eating at 3. We devoured our burritos. No joke. We were so hungry. Now I just feel like ice cream, and my mom was saying ice cream too. So she said, let's take a little break, meaning sleep, and then wake up and go out, spend all the gift cards, probably just Sephora. Spend Sephora's gift card because I returned that lipstick that I was telling y'all about, and get some ice cream, have some fun, edit, upload video today, film a lot of videos today, whatever I can film until sunset, or just before sunset, because I know it gets dark before sunset as well. That's the plan today. I will definitely vlog because there's only 2 more days left, not even 2. Let's see, 3:30. So 3:30 today until 3:30 p.m. tomorrow is 24 hours. So about 41 hours left until we leave this house, Mom. I'm gonna take a nap too. Ma! Ma? Ma!
Yay!
Mama, 41 மணி நேரம் தான் இன்னும். Mama, we didn't even finish packing the last 2 boxes because I think we still have stuff to buy. Probably. Do we still have stuff to buy, Mom? Do we still have stuff to buy? No, right? Just what was that face? Just the things that we're using now we need to put in there. Half the stuff you'll throw away that you promised me. இப்போதைக்கு நீ குலாப் ஜாமுன் பண்ண போதில்லை. I know you can't see anything, right? My blinds are closed. I just finished editing India Move Vlog 3. I am so freaking tired. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. My neck hurts and everything. Is the darkness okay? I don't know. I don't feel like walking up there and opening the blinds. So, all right. Can you see me now? So, we got the blinds. I keep looking at myself. I need to stop doing that. I'm about to hit the bed because I'm just tired. Watch, my mom's gonna walk right in here and ask me to come downstairs because she's done napping my life. Tomorrow is the day where the bank closes at noon and we have to go tomorrow and get the money for the toll roads, even because it's a U-Haul van and they don't have an easy tag on them that we can pay later. So I need to get the money for India and the money for the toll roads tomorrow and get some things from the bank, and that's by 12, so no dilly-dallying tomorrow. There's no time tomorrow. I'm planning on waking up early, doing at least 2 or 3 filmings, and then heading to the bank, and then I need to return Urban Outfitters tomorrow. Our eyebrow lady, we thread eyebrows, me and my mom, so the lady who does that comes to the mall at 10. So after the bank, come home, put everything away, go back to the mall, get our eyebrows done, and then what? And then tomorrow at 5:30, me and my mom need to go pick up our U-Haul van. I know, I can't even believe it. I can't believe it. The day is finally here, and I cannot believe it. I still haven't finished packing, but I am going to... Where am I going with this? I'm so tired, I'm losing my train of thought. I'm loving the hair, by the way. Do y'all like it? Do y'all like it? Yeah, I told her about the way my mom cut my hair. She said she didn't notice it, and then she did the parts for my hair to cut it, and then she goes, "Oh, I see it now." We'll miss you a lot. She's been our hairdresser for 2 years. She asked me when I was gonna wash my hair again, and I said tomorrow because it's a 24-hour journey. I can't afford to not wash my hair tomorrow and risk being a grease ball when I land in India. So I said tomorrow. I don't let her use any products on my hair. It's usually wash, cut, and a little bit of blow drying. So this time she was like, since you're washing your hair tomorrow anyway, can I play around with it and maybe put mousse and like do volume roots and everything? And I was like, okay, fine, whatever. It was our last appointment anyway, so I didn't want to fight her. You know, she had so much fun with me and my mom's hair. And I think that's it. I'm gonna go take a nap because I really need it. Nappy time. I just woke up from my nap. Not drunk, I swear. That was a long nap. Almost 2 hours, which is crazy to think about because it feels like 30 minutes. I don't even know who's home. I don't know if Dad's home yet. I know Mom's in the bathroom. I think she's taking a shower. I need to go. I go to something because it's 6:50 right now. So 6:50. 7:50. Oh my gosh, there's 39 hours left. There's still so much to do. That can't be. That can't be right. I swear. Tomorrow, I need to film. Actually, I need to separate them. Oh, hold on. I need to do a lot of things. I'm gonna go downstairs and get something to eat and then see what's gonna happen. Hold on. I'll see you downstairs. Here at JCPenney, my mom came into the room because I forgot, because I took a 2-hour nap, I forgot that we had the Sephora gift card store credit to get done. And she recently saw, Bosha came out with the contact sponge in a towel form. So, walking into a store, she bought one of the contact sponges to use after we land there, after we go there and like take a shower. So she decided to exchange that for the towel. No, that's not Van. So, exchanging that, and then, what are we buying? Yeah, spending the extra. So.